All right, so this was the homework. All of you did your homework.
Yes.
Who has not done? Who has not done the homework? Anybody who has not done the homework? Shakuntala, not done. Why? Photo was not there. Get a photo from an album. Album से बाहर निकाल लो. ठीक है? Okay, so get photo out. Anybody else who has not done the homework? All of you has done the homework? Very, very important homework. Okay. The how to increase the result in your relationship is to be grateful for what they are doing. What they are doing. Our focus is what they are not doing. Are they doing something? Are they giving something? Are they giving patience? Are they giving smile? Are they giving money? Are they giving love? Are they doing anything good in the person? I would love you to focus there. Okay. The three closest relationship. You can choose any three. It's not that for everyone we are going to any three. But for those 3%, I would love you to. The research actually shows that 10 is to 1 is the magical ratio. What is 10 is to 1? For every one complaint, listen to this very, very clearly. For every one complaint that you do, there should be 10 blessings that you are giving to that person. 10 things you are counting. Yes, this is, but he also does this, 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 he also does, he also does this, he also does this. For every one complaint, 10 blessings. Only then the relationship is going to flourish. Did you know that?
है रुको गाड़ियां चल रही हैं
Only then the relationship is going to flourish. Or else the relationship is not going to flourish. Now you know that, right? Now you know that, even in thought,
अनायरा मम्मा के साथ रहो
even in thought, by the way. Whose voice is coming? Please mute yourself. All right. So for 10 is to 1. So for every one complaint that come out of your mouth, even in thought or in words, I would love you to write down 10 blessings, 10 gratitude, and you will see everything transforming magically. Ready to see the magic? Ready to prove that magic to yourself, right? And it's very difficult sometimes because you are mad at that person. Okay, what has that person done? Difficult to do. But if you can do that, you will magically start changing things in life. Or if you want to change things, this is the way, right? It's little effort. Okay, so 10 is to 1. Remember this ratio. Very, very important. Second, words are very, very powerful. So every word that you are uttering from your mouth, if it's a good word, if it's a good line, you are attracting the good things in your life. You are attracting those beautiful things will multiply and come back to you as per law of attraction. And every word that is a shit, that's a negative word, that's a criticism, that's a blame, that's showing somebody down, you are just attracting that in your life. So very, very important. What are you taking out of your mouth? Will you all be careful? Gratitude should be your new language. When you speak, it should be thank you, thank you, thank you. These 3 words should become your identity. Ready to make this your identity? No matter whom you meet, you should be like, oh my God, this person, like, oh my God, thank you. The things people are not noticing, I would love you to notice. The beauty people are not seeing, I would love you to notice, and you will see your life magically changing, right? So very, very powerful. What words are you using? Okay, now open up your notebook. As we did yesterday, first of all, let's write down the 10 things that you are grateful for. Very, very important. We are going to build up, right? In the same manner, I'm grateful for this because I'm thank you, God. Start from the word thank you. Thank you, God, for this because fill in the blanks. Thank you, God, for my health because I'm able to walk from one room to another. Thank you, God, for the knowledge because thank you, God, for my family member XYZ because thank you, God, for dash because dash the reason. Okay, so 10 blessings. Shall we do that? Ready? You can do all of you in your journals. Journal, already you have a space for doing the gratitude, but do it in this manner. Yes, perfect. Let's do it. Once you have written the list, you will also reread and say thank you for each.
Thank you for this breath so bright.
list and say thank you for each of the things that you have written. Just reread your 1 to 10 points and just say thank you for each of the point that you have written and really feel that in your heart. Great. Done, all of you? Done? Just nod your head. I can see all of you. Done? Great. Do you know that the greatest wealth is health? We know that, right? We are not hearing it for the first time. And because the greatest wealth is health, we spent around 15 days on health. Right? That's how powerful and beautiful and important health is. And if you feel no, I don't think the greatest wealth is health. एक दिन सर दर्द होता है ना, कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा होता है. Right? Nothing, you will have no, there are 100 goals that can be there in your list, but once you have a health problem, that's your number one goal. ये ठीक हो जाए बस. All other goals will go in dustbin. ये बस ठीक हो जाए. So more you are grateful, remember the first line every single day. Whoever has will be given more, and whoever don't have, whatever you have will also be taken away from you. Whoever has gratitude, now let me complete it for health. Whoever has gratitude for health will be given more, and whoever doesn't have any gratitude for health, whatever you have will also be taken away from you. Whoever has gratitude for the loving relationships will be given more love. Whoever doesn't have, whatever you have will also be taken away from you. Getting it? Striking you? Right? Now you know that, so you will be getting more an abundance of health. It will not be you because you are here in this course, right? You are going to have that gratitude from now onwards. So now we will do deep gratitude for our health. So all of you just get ready. We have done this, I think, in the health, but for the next 5 minutes, we are really going to feel what all health we really have, what all my body parts are really doing, which I have forgotten. And I've just remembered that this is not working. Oh, my head is aching. Oh, my back is aching. Oh, my this is aching. But what is working, we don't know. So let's do that next 5 minutes. Ready? To go into deep gratitude for health. Let's do it. Get ready. Sit comfortably back. Take deep breath. Let yourself relax. And let's deep dive into this ocean of gratitude for your health. Can you hear the sound? This is the magical health practice that we are doing together. As I read each line, I would love you to really see it inside you and feel it inside of you. You can also repeat it. Remember that when you think about why you are grateful, it will help you to feel gratitude very deeply, at a very deeper level. More deeply you can feel it, faster you will be able to see the results in your body. So let's start with your legs and feet. They are the main form of transportation in our life. Think about all the things you use your legs for. like balancing, standing, sitting, exercising, dancing, climbing steps, driving a car, and most of all, the miracle of walking. Wow. That's how much your legs are helping you every single day. It helps you to walk to the bathroom, walk to the kitchen and grab your favorite snack, stand up and cook. Your legs and feet allow you to walk around stores, down the streets, through an airport, catch your train, move along the beach and enjoy the beach. The ability to give freedom is by walking. Say thank you for my legs and really mean it and feel it, because it's really magical what all your legs and feet are doing for you. Say deep thank you to your legs. Come on. Thank you so much for doing so much for me. Now let's go to your arms and your hands. And how many things do you pick and hold in one day? Think about your arms. Your hands are the major tools in your life. And they are in non-stop use all day long, every day. Your hands allow you to write, eat a meal, use a phone or computer, to help you shower and get dressed, help you put that lotion on your face and complete body. It helps you to use the bathroom properly. It helps you to pick up things easily and effortlessly. It helps you to do everything your own self without the use of hands. You would be completely dependent on other people to do things for you, completely. Have you ever taken that time to express gratitude for how much your hands are doing for you? Knowing all this, putting your attention there, say thank you to your arms, really from heart. Thank you, my arms, hands, and fingers, and really mean and feel it. Think about now your amazing senses. Your sense of taste give you so much of pleasure multiple times throughout the day as you eat and drink. As you eat and drink. You know from losing your sense of taste during COVID that through a cold, that the joy of eating and drinking disappears without being able to taste food or drink. Say thank you for your amazing sense of taste that you can enjoy the whole day with different foods, chai, pakoda, and all of the amazing, your favorite foods. It's because of the sense of food, sense of taste that you can have through different senses. Really feel grateful to all your senses. Your sense of smell enables you to experience the beautiful fragrances of life. Beautiful fragrances. Flowers, perfume, clean hands, your new lotion, new bed sheets, new book covers, your new clothes, dinner when it is cooking, your sense of smell when when the food that you really love is in front of you. Right. Come back. Take a card. Sorry. Take a card, and I would love you to take any card, any paper. If you don't have a card, take a sticky note, take a paper, take a card, anything. And I would love you to write there, the gift of health is keeping me alive. The gift of health is keeping me alive. The gift of health is keeping me alive. Write it in the card or paper or sticky notes, whatever you have. The gift of health, this line. The gift of health is keeping me alive. Gift of health is keeping me alive. And now you will keep it at a place, maybe where you wash your hands, maybe where you do your puja, maybe near the TV or near your phone, wherever you will see it at least 3-4 times. Right? There are a few places where no matter what we will visit. So just keep that card here, and every time jitni baar bhi nazar pade, I would love you to stop for a second and read it slowly. The gift of health is keeping me alive. The gift of health is keeping me alive. Because you have this beautiful health, you are alive, right? So the gift of health is keeping me alive. I would love you to repeat it at least 3-4 times anytime you see it. Okay? So just keep it somewhere where you can see it. So we have the photographs there out in our surroundings. Now we have this also. Photographs, remember yesterday, the photographs. So we have the photographs. So photographs around the surrounding, and then we have this now. Understood? So this should be there in your surrounding. Take your magic rock, all of you. Magic rock. Bring it, bring it. Very important to keep it near your bedside every single day. Okay, now hold your magic rock and think of the best thing that has happened yesterday. Best thing that has happened. Just for a minute. Can be a warm hug, anything.
Thank you for this breath so bright. Thank you for my beating heart, for every single brand new start. Thank you for the food I eat.
Then just say thank you, thank you, thank you. Rock is a living material, so it's very, very important to hold it in your hand and really say this. Okay, and it's absorbing that and keep it. All right, tomorrow we will move from here. Let's keep it till here now. Remember the gratitude magic. Say to yourself, thank you, thank you, thank you for actually taking up the time to replenish myself with this. Thank you so much. Let's thank you be your religion. Let's gratitude be your religion, and you will see miracles happening left, right, and center. Today, my maid was actually doing all the work, and I was just looking at her, and I was feeling, wow, yaar, मैं पूरा कचरा करके रखी रहती हूँ, and she comes and really makes this house a house, right? She just comes for just a little amount, and she had just done a miracle in my house, right? Coming and doing everything. So miracles are happening all the time. Are we noticing it? So I know you all notice it because you all are not normal. You are miraculous creatures, miracle makers. So we'll see you tomorrow, and we will move into money miracle tomorrow, right? Enjoying the gratitude miracle. Tell me one thing that you learned today in the chat. Then I will let you all go. Tell me one thing that you learned today. What was your takeaway? Let me read some of them so that we all revise once quickly. What is your takeaway? What is your realization?
10:1 law.
10:1. Who said this?
संगीता.
संगीता? आवाज को क्या हो गया इतना धीरे?
बाबू सो रहा है.
Oh, all right. Okay. Sangeeta, 10:1. For every one complaint, 10 blessings I have to think. If by mistake also I have thought of a negative thing, currently think of 10. Okay, but I also, oh, I don't have this. Okay, but I also have air, I also have food, I also have house, I also have kapde, I also have my family members, I also have people to talk to, I also have my mentor, I also have some amazing people in this universe, I also have some people on the YouTube. Oh yes, I have a lot. By mistake, if something comes out, 10 blessings, right? It can be for person, it can be for anything. What's your takeaway, Tanu? Every single day, Tanu, I would love you to write, and you have to write for that, for only that one person. Every single day, you can write as many. I will say write 100 every day actually for you. Every day 100. Okay, every day 100 gratitude. You will see magic in 10 days. अगर जल्दी चाहते हो result, every day 100. Can you do that? Every small things, every small qualities. ठीक है? Okay, Shakuntala, what's your takeaway?
We should be thankful for each and every moment. Like how we take the breath, it should be like thankful. each
Yeah.
and every.
Yeah, the breath is we're thankful for. Absolutely beautiful. Tanu, what's your takeaway?
We should be thankful for whatever we have.
Yeah, we should be thankful for whatever we have. Jennifer, what's
Yeah.
your takeaway?
We should be thankful for our health actually, because without health, I had a fracture in last 2 months to 3 months before, so I can imagine without a single part of our body we cannot be happy.
Right.
So every cell in the body should be healthy, and
Yeah. And give thank you. Love that.
and we should thank.
Because when we lose it, only then we realize for most of us. We don't realize जब वो है तब तो है ही क्या ही है नॉर्मल राइट कुछ थोड़ा सा कुछ हो जाता है एक उंगली में भी चोट लग जाएगी और वो काम नहीं कर रहा है उसमें बैंडेज लगा हुआ तो पता चलेगा राइट एंड शी सेड इट सो ब्यूटीफुली कि नाउ आई एम हैविंग अ फ्रैक्चर आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट्स व्हाट इट इज right so all of us needs to really be grateful for health so that more health miracles keeps happening in our life. It should not stop for us, right? All right, take care. We'll see each one of you tomorrow. Take care. Sending deep love and appreciation. May God keep miracles happening in each one of your lives, sending a lot of love, a lot of blessings. God really fill their life with a lot of miracles and take all the problems away because they are miracle makers. Love you. Take care. Bye. We'll see you tomorrow. Love you. Be in gratitude. Be in deep gratitude. Deep gratitude. That's your religion.